You really thought you'd defeat me, dummy? I got my sword now. I said this sword was a tool of justice, not used in vengeance, not used in anger. But now I'm not so sure. Besides, it is my sword. Let's dance. Well, not yet. But you will die. You think that little sword is or is not going to help you defeat me? I've literally survived. Okay, let's dance. Okay, you pitiful child. You should really die about now. Huh? I didn't know you punctured me. I am almost infinite speed. You stupid idiot. I'm not an idiot. Yeah, you are, dummy. Oh yeah, I like being called dummy, 'cause that's my name. What the hell are you? Your worst nightmare. I'll rip it out. If you say sorry. What the hell? Dude. Give me all the information you got. Why the fuck are you doing this? I can't tell you. You asked for... God damn it. God, you really strong, aren't you? I will defeat you, chicken. Just not now. Because I'm almost dead. Pitiful. Just like Dummy always says. Ha, you really thought I would fall for that. I have almost infinite instinct of where I catch things and where they're coming from. Now, I'm going to kill you. But if this is a hard challenge, I'm going to use an upgraded sword that I haven't used in over 5 decades. Anyways, otherwise I'll kill you. And I'll promise you that. You really think you could kill me? You see what I just did there? What the hell? Ah, god damn it, my foot. It would be ironic if I used that as my final weapon to destroy you. Ah, not fatal. Ah, yes, fatal. It erases his entire head. And I will try to pick up that sword, but it's gonna be... Ow! The aura on that sword's pretty hard to pick up. Can't really do anything. Wait a minute. I sense a little something. Like someone's challenging my power. But... not sure. Well, I might as well kick this little corpse. What? What's that? Time to die, dummy! With my own sword. That is with chickens. God damn it, you actually almost killed me. Well, I am pretty much dead. Kindred spirits lay on inside our souls. Oh my god, I have to use this spell. I need to pull that sword out first. It's an ancient technique that lets me heal anyone. You smell like goat poop. The heal may be with you. Amen. Eventually. Amen. I'm alive. What the hell happened? I did something. Wait a minute. You do look like my dad, but older. Yes, chicken. I'm your grandpa. You're Chicken Lee, right? And I have to give you this sword that has been in our family for decades. Really? Oh, the champion sword. My dad died in that. I know. But I'll adopt you. But on one condition, no throwing us to the moon again. Deal. Okay, can you stop being so excited out of small things? I'd feel bad leaving you here anyways. I'm part of your bloodline. But instead I'm a human and you're a fucking alien. Somehow we're related. Alright. Well, what do we do now? I don't know. Oh dang, I am sick as hell. Oh my god. This is painful. It's nice to meet you again, chicken. They really thought they killed me. I'm not gonna get revenge. I'm gonna actually tell them why I'm attacking them. Why I'm forced to do all of this. Why I have to. Unless I would, Chicken would understand, but I'm purposely not killing him. I can easily, but I don't have to. He does not know all of my pain. I have to go. He will see me soon.